Mastering the Basics, your ultimate cooking guide for beginners. Welcome to the exciting journey of becoming a master in the kitchen. Cooking is a wonderful skill that brings joy, creativity, and delicious flavors to your life. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to enhance your culinary skills, this guide is designed to help you master the basics of cooking. Get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will not only satisfy your taste buds, but also boost your confidence in the kitchen. Chapter 1. Setting up your kitchen. Essential kitchen tools and equipment. Stocking your pantry with basic ingredients. Understanding kitchen safety. Chapter 2. Know your ingredients. Exploring different herbs and spices. Understanding various cooking oils. Identifying common fruits and vegetables. Chapter 3. Knife skills. Choosing the right knife for the job. Proper knife handling and safety. Basic knife cuts and techniques. Chapter 4. Cooking methods. Grilling, roasting, baking, sautéing, and more. Mastering heat control and cooking times. Understanding the science behind cooking. Chapter 5. Cooking techniques. Searing, braising, blanching, and poaching. Creating flavorful sauces and dressings. Perfecting the art of seasoning. Chapter 6. Meal planning. Balancing flavors in a meal. Creating well-rounded and nutritious dishes. Planning and organizing your cooking schedule. Chapter 7. Recipes for success. Easy and delicious recipes for beginners. Step-by-step instructions with helpful tips. Building your confidence through practice. Chapter 8. Troubleshooting in the kitchen. Common cooking mistakes and how to fix them. Tips for rescuing a dish gone wrong. Learning from your cooking experiences. Chapter 9. Special diets and dietary restrictions. Adapting recipes for different dietary needs. Exploring vegetarian, vegan, and gluten-free options. Cooking for health and wellness. Chapter 10. Advanced techniques optional. Graduating to more complex cooking methods. Experimenting with advanced recipes. Continuing your culinary journey. Congratulations! You've now mastered the basics of cooking. Whether you're preparing simple weeknight dinners or experimenting with gourmet recipes, this guide has equipped you with the knowledge and skills to navigate the kitchen with confidence. Remember, cooking is a lifelong learning experience, so don't be afraid to explore new ingredients, techniques, and cuisines. Happy cooking!
Hey, thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Ms. Coffee's Brewed Content channel today.